Joining us with markets at Garrett Toy of AgTraderTalk, and mostly higher prices on Wednesday, corn and soybeans. Was that mostly short covering activity or technical in nature, Garrett?
It feels a little bit short covering. It feels, the soybean market is a little bit more oversold than the corn market is, even though corn has acted a little bit better this week. I think it's important the last 2 days we've had buying, fairly significant buying tails here. We came up just short of this 100-day moving average of 13.05, and I'm really not going to get too excited to get friendly until we get above 13.24 from a technical standpoint. But the sell-off, I'm a little bit surprised that we broke through the 200-day moving average as easy as we did earlier this week. The market is carrying quite a bit of length, and they probably wanted to pair that ahead of harvest as it picks up every day.
Yeah, and do you think we can keep going here, especially with the fact that we're right in the middle of harvest? So we're going to see some pressure from that, aren't we?
We are. It's going to be tough to see a sustained rally. I'd rather we're closer to October days, B, C, harvest closer to 50% complete. Until then, rallies are going to be a struggle. But the market still wants to be long soybeans. I think a lot of this correction has been some profit taking and some of the intercommodity spreads, corn versus soybeans, wheat versus other things, that sort of thing. And I think that's just some evening up in the marketplace.
What would we have to close at in corn to keep the rally going, or what are you watching technically in that market?
Well, we traded right there today. That's 593, the trend line off of the August lows. If we can get above that in this 20-day moving average at 483, excuse me, that's the key. That's the key number.
And the cattle market closed higher, so we had a little bit of a correction, and we just keep seeing healthy corrections in a pretty big bull market, don't we?
Absolutely. New contract highs yesterday, and I think a lot of people coming in today with the reversal action yesterday thought that we'd be lower, and here we came roaring back, and it's a nice, strong close. I think that with cattle and feed here at the end of the week, we'll probably just see some consolidation here near term until we see those numbers.
Thanks for joining us. That is Garrett Toy of AgTraderTalk, and that is Markets Now. We'll have more AgDay coming up.
To contact Garrett, call him at 888-745-2020 or find him at AgTraderTalk.com.